Okay, so today we have a Audi A5 in for a hood clean and reproof. A little bit dirty on the top. Some wear here, which we have to be careful of. The usual green moss around the back of the window. A little bit of wear there.
Okay, so we have the end video on the Audi, which come in for the Cabriolet roof restorement. So it's had a machine clean, weather reproofing and the nano finish. It's also had the drains flushed, all the rubbers Krytoxed as well. And it's had a special offer on the exterior. That's why it looks nice and shiny with the spray wax. So there we go, so it definitely looks the part now. Looks nice and clean. Very nice.